You know what's wild? Most women think building attraction is about being mysterious or playing hard to get. But the truth is, the actions that make a guy genuinely addicted to you have nothing to do with games. They're psychological triggers that tap into his deepest needs. Once you understand these 12 actions, you'll see exactly why some women become unforgettable and why others get left on red. The difference isn't luck, it's strategy. Here's what you need to know right now. In today's dating world, guys are bombarded with options, apps, DMs, endless possibilities. So why do some women cut through all that noise and become the only person he thinks about? Because they trigger something primal in his brain, something that makes him crave their presence like nothing else matters. Let's start with the first action that changes everything. Touch him casually but intentionally. And I'm not talking about anything overtly sexual. A hand on your forearm when you're laughing, brushing past him when you walk by, adjusting his collar while you're talking. These micro-touches create oxytocin spikes in his brain. That's the bonding hormone. Every time you do this, you're wiring his brain to associate you with comfort and attraction. Literally. Most women either never touch at all or they overdo it. The sweet spot is casual, confident, and spaced out. It keeps him wanting more without feeling overwhelmed. Second, validate his efforts, not just his results. This is what most people miss. Guys are conditioned to be valued for what they achieve, their job, their status, their wins. But when you notice the effort behind those wins, something shifts. That's different. When he talks about a project and you say, "I love how hard you worked on that," his brain lights up. You're seeing him, not just his highlight reel. That kind of validation is addictive because it's rare. He'll chase that feeling everywhere you go. Third action, and this one's subtle. Create inside jokes fast. Shared humor builds intimacy faster than almost anything else. It creates a private world. It's you and him against everyone else. That exclusivity is magnetic. So pay attention to funny moments. Reference them later. Turn small things into running jokes. It signals that you remember and that the connection is unique. Number 4. Challenge him playfully, not in a mean way. Tease him when he's being cocky. Call him out when he exaggerates a story. Keep it light. Guys are used to women either agreeing with everything or being combative. Playful challenge sits right in the middle. It shows confidence. It shows you're not desperate for approval. And it makes him work to impress you. That effort increases his investment. Here's number 5, and this one's a game changer. Give him space to miss you. This is where most women sabotage themselves. They meet someone they like and become always available, always texting back instantly, always free to hang out. But anticipation is the secret ingredient of desire. Space creates longing. When you have your own life and your own plans, his brain fills in the gaps. He wonders about you. Scarcity creates value. Not game-playing scarcity, but real, full-life scarcity. Sixth action. Make him feel like a hero in small ways. Ask for help with something minor. Let him teach you something he's good at. When his advice works, tell him it mattered. Let him feel the impact. Men have a biological drive to provide and protect. Low-stakes opportunities to do that make him feel necessary. And feeling necessary to you becomes addictive. Number 7. Pay close attention here. Show genuine excitement when you see him. Not desperate excitement. Real happiness that he's there. Smile big. Light up. That energy creates a dopamine hit in his brain. Over time, he associates you with that good feeling. He literally becomes conditioned to feel happier around you. It's powerful psychology. Number 8. Surprise him with thoughtful details. He mentioned a favorite coffee weeks ago. You remember. He had a big presentation on Tuesday. You text him good luck that morning. These micro moments show you're listening. Most people aren't. They wait to talk instead of paying attention. When you prove you're different, he notices. Those details stack into a feeling he can't explain, but he can't forget it either. Number 9. Be unpredictable in the right ways. Not flaky unpredictable, emotionally dynamic unpredictable. Sometimes you're serious, sometimes spontaneous, sometimes calm, sometimes playful. This variety keeps his brain engaged. Predictability is safe, but not exciting. Strategic unpredictability maintains mystery without chaos. 10th action, and this one's crucial. Support his passions without needing to be the center of them. Be genuinely interested in what he cares about, but don't take it over. Give him space to be fully himself without inserting yourself. Most women either dismiss his interests or force their way into them. Neither works. What works is championing his world while maintaining your own. That balance is rare. Number 11. Use his name when you talk to him. It sounds simple, but it's neurologically powerful. The brain reacts strongly to hearing its own name. Use it during conversation, especially in intimate moments. It personalizes everything. It makes him feel seen as an individual. And here's the 12th action that ties it all together. Be consistent in how you make him feel. Not boring consistent, emotionally consistent. He knows being around you feels good. He feels challenged, understood, and safe. That reliability builds trust. And trust plus attraction equals addiction. He knows what he gets with you, and what he gets is rare. The real answer isn't manipulation. It's understanding human psychology. These actions work because they meet deep needs: to be seen, to be valued, to feel novelty and comfort. When you master these, you're not playing games, you're becoming irreplaceable. So here's my question for you. Which of these 12 surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to go deeper, the next video breaks it down even further. It's called 6 Moves Bonding Men Deeper. You won't want to miss it.